Let's talk about how to properly plant your fall mums. As you can see, I've already planted these mums. And the way I did this, I call this blob gardening, and I like it because it mixes the colors really well. Looks very natural. It's not like a bunch of straight lines. And it really gives you a nice mix and pop of color. So, pre-dug the holes. Now I'm going to show you how deep that mum should be planted. Take the pot that the mum was in and put it in the hole. It should be even with the level of the ground. If you're there, perfect. Now, let's take our mum and put it right there in that hole. And make sure you got the front of the mum planted so it looks the best. Move that soil around the base of the mum. Make sure it's right level with everything else. And now you have properly planted your mums, and we have a beautiful mum blob garden. One other thing, you'll need to water. When you water, water around the base of the mum, not down into the mum, because if you do that, you may damage the foliage, you may damage the blooms, and it just won't work as well as when you water around the base. Each plant should take about a half a gallon to a gallon of water, and that should hold it for a while. So enjoy your fall mums and plant them as a blob garden.